Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to record audio only in Camtasia 9. Alright guys, so I'm here in Camtasia 9 and let's go through on how to record audio only. Now in my other tutorial, I was talking about how to record your webcam only and not your screencast, because that was a question that I got in one of the comments. So now I got another question, how to record your audio only with nothing else, like no video. So it's very similar to the other video in that it's going to record both your audio and your video and your screen. Currently, I don't have a webcam attached here, and it's recording my screen and my audio at the same time. But if you have a webcam, it's going to record your audio, webcam, and screen. It's the same concept, so you need to remove, in this case, the video and leave the audio. And I'll show you two examples here. So this is a screencast that I just recorded just before this video. And it's my voice as well as my screen because I was doing a tutorial on Amazon. Play a little bit here. So let's go through here, and this drop down is getting longer. Okay, so that's my voice and the screen. Let's say I just want the audio because I'm going to be doing a narration for something for a project, and I'm going to have like other pictures and other videos, and I don't want this on the screen because I'm going to be adding things later on. So as you can see here, the screen and the audio are one. They are one unit. So you actually need to go and separate them. So you want to highlight this and you want to right click and you want to click on separate audio and video. It's going to separate that into two media files now. The one here labeled screen very lightly and the other one here labeled audio. So if you don't want this screen and you just want your audio, you just click delete. And now, if you listen, here and there, I haven't really seen. Right now, it's just a blank screen in my audio, and then you can go and add pictures or whatever you want to it. So that's one way to just grab your audio from your screencast. Now let's say you have your webcam as well. I'm going to use this file here. So let's say here you have your video, your webcam, and your audio. So you want to do the same thing. You want to right click, separate audio from video. And then you see here, this right here, when you see all the little jaggedy things, that's your audio. Your video won't have that. So that's how you know which is audio and which is video. So I'm going to delete this, and now, so you can see here that there's my video, and that is my audio from that video only. So that's how you do it. That's how easy it is to record your audio only. Now when you have this and you are doing a narration of some sort, let's say you want, text to come up on the screen while you're doing it, test, right? Or you want pictures or other video clips, other stock footage, whatever you want, that is how you extract your audio only to make those types of projects. Alright guys, well that was it. That is how easy it is to record your audio only in Camtasia 9. So if I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. And if you like these Camtasia 9 tutorials, head down to the description below as I have a bunch more free tutorials for you guys. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.